Hi kids, I'm going to show you how your students can check their grades to get detailed feedback on their Connect assignments. Obviously they can see the scores in Canvas, and I'm wondering if the students that have reported zeros because of a second attempt were actually trying to just click on the homework to get to the point that I'm going to show you. That's a realistic possibility that maybe they wanted to go back and review the questions, and when they clicked on them, they could see that it was opening a second attempt, so they backed out before hitting the begin. Something to consider. Okay, so I'm going to go in and click on McGraw-Hill Connect. And I'm in here as a student in the course. I made a copy of your class in my Connect account, and then I registered as a student into Canvas as well, to my Canvas account. So now I'm going to click on Go to My Connect section, much like you would do as the instructor. For reviewing grades, students will take this path rather than clicking on the assignment. When I click on that, I'm going to see a list of all of my assignments. For the ones that I've completed, I'm going to see the See Report option next to them. And for Learn Smart assignments, I'll also see the recharge, which means that I can go in and it will prioritize concepts that I struggled with the most. So the marketing homework 2 I actually had due, so I'll be able to see detailed feedback. So I'm going to click on See Report, and then again it gives me my list of assignments. I can see I took 2 attempts for this one. The way the policies are set is that students will not see detailed feedback until after either the second attempt and the due date or 100% in the due date. So if they did not score 100% on the first one, they'll have to take that second attempt to be able to see detailed feedback after the due date. You can see I put a lot of time into this and came out with the same measurable result, which is a little depressing. Okay, so if I want to view attempt 1, I'll click on that. I can see what my score is. I'll go ahead and exit, and now I'll click on attempt 2. And when I go into attempt 2, I can actually see the details. So I can see what I answered, what the correct answer was, and then I can go through each question to see that. So that is what your students will do. As I mentioned, I can create some screenshots that you can put into Canvas, or I can recreate a video that has a little less of the editorial detail. All right, hope this is helpful.